Is it me or everyone these days is a Sangoma?
Hello and welcome to my channel. So, these are my thoughts about celebrities and all trending hot gossip.
Skim Sam Oratile has answered her ancestral calling and is now a qualified Sangoma. She has posted pictures on social media from her graduation ceremony and she has accepted her calling 3 years ago. She said that I knew I had a calling for years. I started seeing signs from a young age, but I did not understand what I had to do. She said Oratile also said that her gift was to help people. She went into initiation school to become a Sangoma and to help people with their daily challenges. My gift is to help and heal and also make people aware of their roots and culture, said Oratile. She also said that her journey was a difficult one, but she stayed strong because were ephehlweni. And Oratile also said that she's grateful for people that she got support from Skim Sam cast to support her through her journey. She said that it was tough and most of the time it seemed impossible, but she had to persevere because initiation needs patience. The journey wasn't a walk in the park, and she needed to take time off the screen from Skim Sam, and but then other than that, she finished and the cast made it easy for her and they acknowledged her gift, they appreciated her. So she is now officially working as a traditional doctor or a Sangoma. You guys, my thoughts about this. It's like everyone now is just a Sangoma. Right now, everyone is just like coming out. We can all have gifts, but do we all have to go the traditional way? It's like everyone that has a gift is like Sangoma. I get it. You need to be woke. We need to be in touch with our African roots, African spirituality, this and that. But everyone that has a calling now needs to be a Sangoma. Really? No. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Bye.